Hey babe, what going?
What do you want?
Oh, your son say you alright?
I was just at my job and your bitch, she made me.
Babe, slow down, what do you mean? What going?
She punched me in my face, she scarred my face, she pulled out my hair, she did all kind of shit because she's your bitch.
Bumbleclad.
Telling you to let go of this bitch and you're not fucking listening.
Me I go deal with it. Me I deal with it. Me I go call him. Me I go over here and sort out the whole of this.
I don't want you to call her, I want you to stop.
Babe, that's in the past though. Me not no bitches I talk to.
I want you to stop, Derek. I want you to stop. I want you to stop talking to these girls. I don't understand why I gotta keep going back and forth with you. I'm your wife.
Babe, I promise you, I never ever talk to her.
You don't even care. You don't care about me. You don't care about this baby.
You're pregnant?
You don't care. You don't care.
But wait, I don't think you're on the pill and all of that. You're pregnant.
I'm 3 months pregnant.
Babe, I'm gonna sort out all of this.
Imagine you just had your little bitches running around and they beating up on me and they beating up on our baby.
I'm sorry for this. And we'll fix it.
Baby.
Yo, wait a minute, come over the house.
I don't even want to fucking breathe the same air as you. I hate you.
Babe, me know, babe, me know.
I can't do this anymore, dude. I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. I need a break. I can't.
I can't explain myself right now, but I can't fix everything.
Why'd you do this to me? Why'd you put me through all of this?
Please, just make me fix this. I can't make everything right.
I just want to die, Derek. I just want to die.
We can get through this. You don't have to go so far. Don't kill. You don't have to talk about killing. Please.
I just want to die. I want to die. Why did you do this to me?
Whatever it is, you can work it out. Ma, come home now. I promise you, babe. Just take it easy. When I come home here, you can talk about this.
I'm just gonna kill myself.
Ma, come over the house right now. Babe?